50 adjectives that all beginners should know in English. Let me tell you this, I love you. Well, my name is Joseph Lumexon and welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the most 50 useful adjectives in English, including the usage of the adjective. But as you know, teaching is my passion, teaching is all my vacation, and all my dream is helping you to speak English clearly and with confidence. That's all. That is my love for you. And then you need to subscribe with this YouTube channel to find the video when I post them every week. And please leave a comment, share the videos. When you do this, I'll be happy. Well, let me teach you the 50 adjectives that all beginners should know. But before, I'm gonna teach you the usage of the adjective. I mean, what exactly an adjective in English. So an adjective is a part of a speech that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun. So the noun might be a person, a place, or a thing, or an animal. The pronoun is the object that represented the place, the person, the animal, or the thing. It's okay then. So an adjective still comes before a noun. Let's say a black computer. A black computer. A black computer. In this case, we have black and computer. Black is the adjective, and then computer is the noun. Black explains or tells how is the computer. Let me say a word pen. A word pen. A word pen. Let me say an interesting story. An interesting story. An interesting story. It's okay? And sometimes the adjective comes after the verb. So now let's say, for example, my computer is black. My computer is black. You see, my computer is black. My car is blue. My car is blue. You see, this cat is black. This cat is black. It's okay then. Well, now let's see when the adjective modifies a pronoun. Remember I said a pronoun is the object represented a person, a place, an animal, or a thing in a phrase. So now we see she is beautiful. Now I will know according to the object, according to the pronoun. Like if I say like this, when I say like this, she is beautiful, like she is beautiful, exactly, I see that they are talking about a lady. Let me say that it is empty, nothing inside, nothing inside. It is empty, it is empty. Let me say that they are expensive, they are expensive, they cost too much money, they cost too much money. Well, so after that, let's see, and then we sometimes use two adjectives together. Let me say that it is black and white. It is black and white. Or let me say that he is a young black man. He is a young black man. He is a young black man. In this case, young is an adjective. In this case, young is an adjective and black is also an adjective. And then at last we have particular adjectives. At last we have particular adjectives. I mean specific adjectives. In a word or in a noun, we just add like some suffixes or some prefixes, and then they become adjective. Let me say that we have less and full, for example. We have care, and then we just add less. We have now careless. Now it becomes an adjective. Careless. We have beauty, which is a noun, and we have full, and then we just add full in beauty. Now we have beautiful. In this case, we have an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. And after we have like able or IBLE, like washable, like credible. Washable, credible. Are you okay? And then after we have like or ISH, let me say that childlike. childlike, or childish. Childish. Are you okay? The most 50 useful adjective in English. Sorry, happy, sad, tired, angry, hungry, alone, bad, good, busy, easy, difficult, crazy, dead, alive, dangerous, comfortable, expensive, cheap, afraid, hot, cold, big, heavy, light, great, lazy, tall, short, black, white, noisy, quiet, small, perfect, safe, important, slow, fast, late, arrogant, dirty, rich, poor, funny, good looking, brave, clean, curious, curious, curious. Well, don't forget to subscribe. I love you still.